and NTI has begun. And I thought it might be helpful for some of you that it's been a while since we've talked about proportional relationships. I'd post some videos of these questions that are being asked to you on quizzes just for a little help. Reminder, you do have to get a 90% on this quiz before you are considered being finished with today's work. So take it as many times as you need to get there, and remind yourself how to do these problems, and you can watch these videos if you need help. So daily, get it up to a 90% and you'll be doing fine. That's all you need to get done for math. So let's jump right in here with the first problem. It wants us to select all, so we're going to pick all. So we're going to pick all of the ones. Let me use a yellow here. That's probably going to show up a little better. Select all the statements that are true. So this is one where you can select multiple things. And if you look at the table over here, we're talking about proportional relationships. Remember, proportional relationships, there's a constant number that you can multiply the left numbers by to get to the right numbers. And that's what we're trying to check and see if there is one. So the 0, 0 really is not that's going to be in every proportional relationship. 0 times anything is 0. So you really will need to look at the other numbers. What times 1 is 9, what times 2 is 18. And that continues to be a constant. Our constant here is 9. They're multiplying the hours by 9 to get the money in dollars. So this is a proportional relationship. Check. You want to pick that one. And it also has a constant of 9. So you want to pick this one too. The constants are not different. If it's proportional, clearly it's not proportional. You don't want to pick that one. So pretty straightforward on the first one there. Let's look at the next one. Sorry, I wish I had this a little quicker, but this is just the way that I have it set up today. I might have it a little bit faster starting tomorrow. But let's look at the next one. You've got, does it show a proportional relationship? And so if it shows a proportional relationship, like we said, we should have a relationship of multiplication between these two numbers. There should be a constant that multiplies here. So with a problem like this, if you take a calculator, and you can check it by dividing all of the y to x ratios. So like for instance, the first one, 27 divided by 2. And that relationship, okay, they should be multiplied by 13.5. So if we try the next relationship, which would be between the 38 and the 3, and we divide those two numbers, if we do not get the same number, 13.5, we know it's not a proportional relationship. And we don't. So this one is a clear-cut no. Sorry, wrong screen. We went with a no there. All right, so let's go to the third one. I'm going to try to do 2 videos. Try to get through 5 here and then 5 on the back side. We'll see if we can make it work. All right, so this is number 3. What is the constant of proportionality? So on this particular one, you always want to take the y value and divide by the x. So we want to do 75 divided by 5, 135 divided by 9, so on and so forth. Or you could take 60 and divide it by 4, however you want to go about that. But when you divide them, you see that the constant is 15. So we want to pick 15 for this one because they all are getting multiplied by 15 to go down to the bottom number constantly. All right, let's go to the next one, number 4. So problem number 4. And this one wants to know if it's proportional, what's the constant? So first of all, is there a proportional relationship? Well, let's see. We've got 5 times 3 gives me 15. Does that work here? 6 times 3, yes. 7 times 3, yes. 8 times 3, yes. So yes times 3 is our answer there. And then the last one for this particular video, we're going to do number 5. So let's open it up. Let's check it out. Number 5 has what's the constant or ratio of constant proportionality in miles per hour? So miles to hours. Miles divided by hours. So you can literally just take the miles and divide by the hours, 90 divided by 2, and find out what the constant of proportionality is. You don't even have to look at the other ones because it tells you that it's proportional. You know that they all are. So 45 is our constant. It's what you could multiply each number on the left by to get each number on the right. So 45, that's it.